Hey guys, I am about to show you a pre-owned unit. It is an open range roamer. It is a bunkhouse. So if you're looking for a bunkhouse that you can squeeze your kids in there and really just enjoy camping and have a wonderful time, if you're just looking for something with slides and you want a good price, this is the unit for you. Let's go on the outside. We got an open range, and I'll have to see what year it is, but it has 4 slides. The model on it is 310BHS. It's got a nice long awning. All right, let's look at the back. Got a big outdoor kitchen, which actually I did not look at yet, so we'll look at that. Let's see. Nice. So you got a microwave, a sink, nice big fridge. You've got your speakers out here as well. You've got a little, let's see, yeah, there we go. Nice 2-burner. And then you got storage space as well, which is really nice. This is nice. Nice and big. All right, let's take a look inside. All right. So, right away you see this really long couch, and it is in great condition. And actually kind of looks brand, yeah, it looks like it's brand new. So they did really nice. So instead of having a dinette, you do have this nice long couch, which you can put a table in front right here. So you can sit a ton of people on here. I love it. You got storage up above, nice windows behind it. Over here you've got your kitchen, and I love this little island. And the fact is you still have all of this space here because it has this, you know, the kitchen, the fridge, all of that area is in a slide, and then this whole couch is also in a slide, so you definitely have a lot of space. I love the wood look on the floor, and by the way, the floors look fantastic. They look great. You've got this nice fridge right here. Let's see, plenty of space in here as well, and it's still cold, so they just brought it over here. You got storage here all the way around. I love when I see so much storage, and then counter space everywhere as well, of course, over here, and then tons of storage here, guys. You got a nice double sink. I love this. They added that, and then you've got your microwave, a 3-burner, and an oven. So I want to see this real quick. Let's see what we got. Nice. See how much storage. Nice. So definitely a lot of storage, and it's always good to have storage in an RV. I mean, that's one thing that people definitely look for is storage, because you can't ever have enough. So you got storage right when you walk in as well. You got your entertainment, you've got your sound bar, and then right here we've got our bathroom. So it's nice and big. It is different. I like how big and spacious it is, and this is different as well. I actually haven't seen one, I mean recently, so let's see how. Very nice. Plenty of space here. Nice and tall, plenty of space. And then you've got storage on the side as well. So they use the space wisely. And then it goes into your bedroom, so the bedroom has 2 doors. Plenty of space on the side to walk around on both sides. And then you do have your closet, plus all along the, over around the bed as well. So Let's see if I can open it. I always always do this wrong. All right, so you can hang up and it goes all the way to the back. Hang up, I mean, so plenty of room for, again, this unit has a lot of storage, so no worries there. Got a little cubby on both sides as well. And then you do have your entertainment above and a nice thick bed. All right, on the other side, we've got our bunkhouse, which is quite big. You've got entertainment right here, some cubbies. You got a nice big old bed here, a nice couch. I mean, and also once the pillows are down, it's another bed, little cubby back there. You've got a dinette, and this looks brand new as well, but you can turn it over on this side as well. And of course it can make into a bed, and then another one right there. So plenty of storage, plenty of area in here. Even if, you know, the kiddos wanted to play on the floor, plenty of space. So what do you guys, oh, and I love this door. Love it. So what do you guys think of this unit? Let me know. All right. What do you guys think of this unit? I would love to hear what you guys think. And it looks like, yep, there's storage underneath of those as well. But let me know what you guys think. If you're interested, give me a call, text, email. My information is down below. Come see me at Funtown RV in Waco. Would love to help you guys out. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But until next time.